In this video, prepare to be amazed by an incredible Excel trick. First, select your records and create a new rule for conditional formatting. Input the designated formula to highlight the rows and columns of the selected cell. Next, add another formula to highlight the selected cell exclusively. Then, navigate to View Code and insert the calculation code to promptly refresh the selection, applying all the conditional formatting rules instantly. Get ready to revolutionize your Excel skills with this powerful technique.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.